S-400 Triumf, a state-of-the-art surface-to-air missile (SAM) system developed by Russia, has become a symbol of the country's military prowess. Since its deployment in 2007, the system has garnered global attention for its advanced technology and versatility, which allow it to intercept a wide range of aerial threats, including aircraft, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. This video delves into the S-400's capabilities, strategic importance, and its impact on global geopolitics. Overview of the S-400. The S-400 Triumf, developed by Almazanti, represents the pinnacle of Russian air defense technology. It was designed as an upgrade to the S-300 system, incorporating significant enhancements in range, accuracy, and engagement capabilities. The S-400 can engage targets at distances of up to 400 kilometers and altitudes of up to 30 kilometers. It can use multiple types of missiles, including the long-range 40N6, the medium-range 48N6, and the short-range 9M96E. This versatility enables layered defense. This is equipped with advanced radar systems like the 91N6E and 96L6. The S-400 can track up to 300 targets simultaneously. Capabilities and features. Multi-target engagement. The S-400 can engage up to 80 targets simultaneously, making it highly effective against saturation attacks. Anti-stealth technology. It is equipped with radars capable of detecting stealth aircraft, a significant advantage in modern warfare. Mobility. The system's components are mounted on mobile platforms, allowing rapid deployment and repositioning. Strategic importance. The S-400 plays a pivotal role in Russia's air defense network and has significant implications for both national and international security. Its presence serves as a deterrent against aerial attacks, safeguarding critical infrastructure and military assets. By selling the S-400 to other nations, Russia extends its influence and strengthens alliances. The system highlights Russia's ability to compete with Western defense technologies. Global impact and controversy. The S-400 has become a focal point in global geopolitics, particularly due to its export to countries like China, Turkey, and India. U.S. opposition. The United States opposes the sale of the SL-400, citing concerns over interoperability with NATO systems and potential security risks. Countries purchasing the system, such as Turkey, have faced sanctions. Under the Countering America's Adversaries Through Sanctions Act. Shift in alliances. The procurement of the S-400 by non-Western nations reflects a shift away from U.S.-led security frameworks and towards multipolarity. Regional power dynamics. In regions like South Asia and the Middle East, the deployment of the S-400 alters the strategic balance, enhancing the air defense capabilities of nations like India and China. Challenges and criticism. Despite its advanced features, the S-400 is not without limitations. High cost. The system's acquisition and maintenance are expensive, limiting its accessibility. Logistical complexity. Its sophisticated technology requires extensive training and infrastructure for effective operation. Countermeasures. Advanced electronic warfare systems and hypersonic weapons pose challenges to the S-400's effectiveness. In summary, the S-400 Triumf exemplifies Russia's technological and strategic ambitions in the field of air defense. Its unparalleled capabilities have made it a sought-after weapon, reshaping global defense dynamics. However, its proliferation has also fueled geopolitical tensions and competition. As air defense systems continue to evolve, the S-400 will remain a cornerstone of discussions about modern military technology and its impact on international security.